Yeah, you got a big one. There you go. Good job. Yeah, great job. You just got that much more to do. Go ahead, you got it. Good job, man.
Now it's your turn.
Oh, it's mine? No, no, I already, look, I did all that.
Thank you a lot.
Yeah, okay, just dump that one and then I'll take over. Great job, man. So proud of you. You're a hard worker. All right, my turn.
Okay. Here, Daddy. There's yours.
Okay. Madness.
I'm done doing the cleanest now.
You're what?
I want to follow you, okay?
Follow me doing what?
Follow doing the snow.
You're all done?
Yeah.
Why?
And I want to follow you doing the snow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why do you want to stop?
Here. Here, Daddy.
Okay, thank you.
It's your turn.
Thanks. So now what? Can you say a little something about the snow?
Yeah.
What do you think about the snow?
That tile big and lift it up.
Mm-hmm. Do you like the snow?
Yeah.
Is the snow a big pain in the butt?
And I'm done taking a picture.
Oh, okay. Say bye, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
All right. So see you next time.
See you next time.
And